बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing very well. My dear students, today in this video I am going to explain the exercise comprehension part A of unit 2, the champions, at page 16. So we are going to put a bird's eye view on the answers. I hope you all have received your notes. So look at your notes and listen to me carefully. Answer the following questions. Now look at the first question. What is the significance of the title The Champions? Now we have to talk about the significance of the title. Significance means the quality of being important. So the answer is the title The Champions signify the deep and true friendship of two friends. Who were those two friends? Ahmad Ali and Gulsher. You already know about Ahmad Ali and Gulsher. The story tells us about two friends who are living in Layari at Karachi. You already know that they both are friends. They both belong to the same place. They belong to poor families. They both have dreamed to become boxing champions. They both shared a same dream. What was their dream? To become a boxing champions, because they both were interested in a fight in boxing. They work hard for their success. They used to work day and night to achieve their cherished dream. By chance, they are made to fight each other. लेकिन unfortunately क्या होता है कि they both are made to confront each other for a fight. They fight very bravely. Why they fight very bravely? Because they both were very good fighters. In the end, they both are proved to be good friends as well as good boxers. At the end, what happens after series of rounds, after series of contests? They both prove to be good friends as well as good boxers. I hope you have understood the answer. Your second question is, what was the dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher? What was their dream? किस चीज़ का वो ख्वाब देखते थे? Ahmad Ali and Gulsher both had a dream of someday becoming lightweight champion of the world. Now what was their dream? They both had a same dream. Both used to cherish their dream. They had a cherished dream. What was their dream? Of becoming lightweight champions of the world. ओके कि उनको lightweight champions बनना था दुनिया का, तो ये उनका ड्रीम था. Question number 3 is, why was the fight so important for both Ali and Gulsher? लड़ाई जो थी, why it was very important for both of them. So let us see why it was important for both of them. It is a very simple question. I hope you all know the answer of this question. Ahmad Ali and Gulsher were boxing players. They wanted to become professional boxing champions. The fight was very important for them as it could lead them to the World Lightweight Boxing Championship. Okay, why was the fight very important for them? Because due to this fight, it could lead them to the World Lightweight Boxing Champions. इसलिए उनके लिए ज़रूरी थी कि ये फाइट उनके सपने को पूरा कर सकती थी, उनके ख्वाब को पूरा कर सकती थी जो वो बचपन से देखते थे. Both were fast friends and equal fighters, and they both wanted to win it. They both wanted to win it. They both wanted to become the world light boxing champions. That is why the fight was very important for Ahmad Ali and Question number 4 is, how did the two friends fight? Here we are going to describe that how did the two friends fight. किस तरह वो दोनों लड़ते हैं, ठीक है, in few words. The two friends fought bravely to show their strength and skill. They hit each other with strong fists, मतलब वो एक दूसरे को सही जोरदार मुक्के मार रहे थे. They both were equally good fighters, but they had different fighting styles. They both rushed towards each other like bulls and hit each other with strong fists. Ali continued to lash Gul hard, but Gul's hand was also working like a piston, pumping hard punches on his opponent. Means they both were fighting toe to toe. दोनों जो थे वो सही कड़ा मुकाबला कर रहे थे, दोनों एक दूसरे को सही कड़ी टक्कर दे रहे थे. ठीक है. So that's how the two friends fought with one another. Question number 5 is, compare and contrast the characters of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher. You both are well aware of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher's personality, so you can easily compare and contrast. You can easily tell that what were the differences between them and how they were different or how they were same or equal. Okay, so this answer is also going to be really easy for you. Gulsher and Ahmad Ali are teenagers. They are classmates and old friends since the childhood. Gulsher is fair, lean and lanky. We had already discussed about Ahmad Ali and Gulsher, that how their complexion was, how their body was, उनकी जिस्मानी साख्त कैसी थी. गुलशेर जो था, ही वॉज फेयर, लीन एंड लैंकी. ठीक है. गुल जो था वो क्या था, टॉल था, स्किनी पर्सन था विद लॉन्ग हैंगिंग आर्म्स एंड लॉन्ग स्ट्राइड. ओके. हिज हेयर इज ब्लैक lying on his forehead, as I had already told you when we were discussing about him that उसके बाल जो थे वो हमेशा उसके माथे पे लटके होते थे. His long hands make him a good boxer because he can hit easily with full strength. उसके हाथ काफ़ी लंबे थे, so with the help of his long hands, it was very easy for him to hit another person with full strength. Like Ahmad Ali, he want to become a boxing champion. You already know that they both had a same dream of becoming boxing champion. On the other hand, Ahmad Ali belonged to African race. He is short. अब अहमद अली की बात हो रही है कि वो कैसा था, how his complexion was, किस तरह वो सेम या डिफरेंट था फ्रॉम हिज फ्रेंड. ही इज शॉर्ट, डार्क एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. हिज हेयर इज ब्लैक, शॉर्ट एंड कर्ली. ही इज अ गुड फाइटर. ही ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू बिकम बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियन. वो भी अपने दोस्त की तरह जो है, ऑल्दो दे बोथ हैड डिफरेंट बॉक्सिंग स्टाइल, देयर कलर वॉज डिफरेंट, देयर स्टाइल वॉज डिफरेंट, कद में हर एक चीज़ में वो एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ थे, बट दे हैड द सेम चेरिश्ड ड्रीम ऑफ बिकमिंग लाइट वेट बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अंडरस्टूड? क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is there any conflict in this story? If yes, describe it in detail. What is conflict? Conflict, we can say a mental struggle, a contradiction. So now let us see, is there any conflict in the story? So I think the answer is yes, because there is conflict in the story. In the story, the champions conflict arise between two friends, Gulsher and Ahmad Ali. This conflict is about their fight with each other. Now, what was their conflict about? It was about their fight with each other. As you already know that they were friends. They were very good friends, and now they both had to fight with one another. So that is why the conflict is about their fight with each other. They were confused to fight because they thought the boxing match might affect their friendship. उनको लगता था that if they will confront each other for a fight, so it could affect their friendship. ये ना हो कि उनकी दोस्ती इससे असरअंदाज हो जाए. But as they enter in the ring, they encouraged each other to fight like good boxers and the conflict is resolved. शुरू में तो conflict था दोनों के दिमाग में, लेकिन at the end when they started fighting with one another, the conflict is resolved. Understood? Now, question number 7 is, what was the effect of the fight on relationship of the two friends? कि अब जो उन दोनों के दरमियान में फाइट थी उसका क्या असर था दोनों दोस्तों की दोस्ती पे, उनकी रिलेशनशिप पे. द फाइट हैड नो इफेक्ट ऑन देयर फ्रेंडशिप. जो लड़ाई थी उसने उनकी दोस्ती को बिल्कुल असरअंदाज नहीं किया था. At first, they were not willing to fight, but later they assured each other in the ring that their fight cannot affect their friendship. They fought bravely with strong fists, but their friendship was not affected and remained good friends forever. Then what happened? They fought bravely with one another, but their friendship remained गुड फॉर एवर. दे रिमेन्ड गुड फ्रेंड्स फॉर एवर. उनकी दोस्ती पे बिल्कुल असर नहीं हुआ उनके झगड़े का. ठीक है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज, कीपिंग इन व्यू द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ द टू फ्रेंड्स, इज इट ईजियर और हार्डर फॉर देम टू फाइट ईच अदर? नाउ यू विल हैव टू कीप in your view the relationship of the two friends, that how they were close to each other and how was their relationship with one another. So is it easier or harder for them, for whom, for those two friends to fight each other? क्या उनके लिए आसान था एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ाई करना? उनके रिलेशनशिप को माइंड में रख के आपने इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है. ठीक है. यू नीड टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन कीपिंग इन व्यू द relationship of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher. We need to take a little bit references from the book as well in order to support our answers. So look at your notes. As both the boxers are good friends, it is harder for them to fight each other. If you are good friends, so I think it is something natural that it will become very hard for anybody who is going to confront his best friend for a fight. So it was also really hard for them to confront each other. It is harder for them to fight each other. Before the fight, both of them are restless, बहुत बेचैन थे, बेसुकूनी थी. It is evident from the text. Ali says, "Man, I don't know how to come out with it." Means Ali is very much nervous. He is very much confused. He does not know how to start conversation about their fight. He has nothing to say, or he has a lot of things to say, but he is not able to utter a single word. Gul also says, "I have been thinking about it too. I have been thinking about my fight too. I have been awake at nights, pulling punches on you, trying not to hurt you." Ali is also restless. These references from the text shows that it is harder for them to face each other. We have taken few references from the text which shows that their conversation shows that it is really hard for both of them to fight each other. It is really harder for them to face each other. Understood? Your next question is, are you satisfied with the ending? Support your response with cogent arguments. Now you need to support your answer. Cogent mean satisfying. Okay, with satisfying arguments. The ending of the story is very interesting, as we already know that the ending was very much satisfactory, very much interesting. Readers were really happy at the end of the chapter because उन दोनों की फ्रेंडशिप पे कोई अफेक्ट नहीं पड़ा उनकी फाइट का. दैट इज़ वाई ऑल द रीडर्स वर क्वाइट हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड विद द एंडिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. The ending of the story is very interesting. The two friends fought like boxing champions. ये नहीं कि उन्होंने अपनी लड़ाई में दोस्ती को बीच में लेके आए, दोस्ती को वो बीच में नहीं लेके आए. They fought toe to toe. The two friends fought like boxing champions, although they were very good and close friends. Their fight was very tough. बहुत सख्त कड़ा मुकाबला था उनका. But they left the ring without hearing decision. They proved that their friendship was greater than their fight. So at the end of the chapter, they both proved that their friendship, उनकी दोस्ती जो थी, was greater than their fight. उनकी लड़ाई से ज़्यादा बड़ी थी उनके लिए. That is why we all are very much satisfied with the ending of the story. No matter who was the winner, who was the loser, although we have no idea that who won at the end of the story, but at the end of the story we came to know about one thing, that their friendship won because their friendship was greater than their fight. I hope you all have understood the answers, because the questions were very easy and the answers were also very easy and clear. So this is enough for today. Inshallah, in next video we are going to start unit 3. I hope you all have understood the answers. Thank you so much. God bless you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.